This video will be a review of the Dashield motorcycle cover. So this cover was sent to me in lieu of a review. So let's open it up and see what we have here. I do have a couple other videos on this brand of cover, one on a 1985 Mustang GT and one on a 2018 Mustang GT. Feel free to take a look at those as well. All right, go ahead and open this up. And it comes with a carrying case, obviously. Okay, next we'll pull this out. So the Dashield cover has a buckle strap system that allows you to tie down or lock it in place with easy installation. It does have the soft inner layer, double fleece lining that protects the motorcycle finish. It also has a couple of air vents, heat protective fabric, reflective strips, metal ring keyholes, and of course a storage bag. So I'm pretty impressed with this. This is a nice looking cover. It fits well. And if you're interested in purchasing one, there'll be a link to this in the description. Thank you for watching.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel. Maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.